of them. Bastards. All of them bastards. Gods damn it all. Think they'll get away with this. No one gets away with this.
Wow, brother. I think you've destroyed just about every one of your trophies this time. That's a new record.
What the hell are you doing here, E?
What? Can't I say hi to my favorite big brother?
You never stop by just to say hi.
Oh. Well, maybe I should make it a point to do that more often.
I'm not in the mood, E. What in Tartarus do you want?
I was bored. I wanted to see if you were looking to start a war soon. Nothing new is going on, and I promised Harmonia that I wouldn't directly engage with the mortals for a while. Not since Troy. So instead, I figure I mess with them via you. And looking at your little war table here... Eris, what in Hades is this?
A plan to start a war.
Oh, really?
Just say it, E.
It looks like a disaster, Eris. I mean, you don't always have the best laid plans, but none of them have ever looked this.
This what?
Just this. What were you planning with this?
A war, Eris.
Oh, really? Because it looks like you were trying to design a picnic between Sparta and Athens.
Shut your mouth, E, before I shut it for you.
Oh yes, the temper that is so befitting the god of war. You know, if you're able to step back and not have such a short fuse, you wouldn't be losing so much to Athena.
Continue with that line of thought. I will knock you down to the mortal plane in the most painful way possible.
No need to get your toga in a twist, brother. Besides, that last war that you lost to Athena helped me win a bet. Dionysus now owes me bottles of his finest wine whenever I want them for the next 2 centuries. Maybe I should get you on to help relax.
Ugh! She cheated! There was no way those mortals would have thought of that one on their own if she hadn't given them that tactic. Only the goddess of wisdom could have come up with something that encompassing.
Oh, like you didn't try to give your army a one-up on her. She's the goddess of tactics and wisdom, dear brother. She's gonna one-up you more often than not.
You're not helping, E.
Am I supposed to be? I mean, I came to you to mess with some mortals, cause a little chaos. But seeing you mad like this, well, it's just so entertaining, dear brother.
Remind me to ram a sword through you the next time I get a chance.
Oh, please do. I would love to say hi to Hades and Persephone. You just be giving me a free trip.
I hate that know-it-all. Just because she sprouted from father's brain makes her think she's so great. So much better than the rest of us. If I have to listen to father say that she is so amazing, and that if the Titans ever rise up, she will be the one to lead us to victory, I will lay waste to that city of hers.
Oh, poor brother. That must be so awful.
What about that got you in a twist?
An Olympian complaining about another Olympian. To a minor goddess. Oh, I have no idea why I'd be rolling my eyes at such a statement.
Fair point. I apologize for being inconsiderate to you, sister. You know that was not what I meant. But she just gets me so frustrated. And I don't really have anyone else to rant to. Apollo and Artemis really don't care. Dai is usually too drunk to know what's going on, and of course Poseidon and Hades are busy, and Mother just tells me to try to be a better brother.
Your mother always did have a soft spot for her. But you are also her favorite. And don't you have Aphrodite on your side?
Only when I need a good lay and she needs to get away from that husband of hers.
I don't understand why you didn't just come to me. I could have tipped the scales in your favor.
I don't need your help, little sister.
Apparently, you need as much help as you can get because you're losing the same battles to the same goddess.
Those are bold words.
Am I wrong?
No.
So then what would have been wrong with asking for help?
Like you said, Eris, you're a minor goddess. How would that look if the other Olympians knew I had gone to you for assistance? I would be the joke of the Olympians for eons.
You really think it would be that bad, brother?
Yes.
Tell me, who do you think gave Athena that idea that led to your downfall last time? All that discord? All that strife? Do you really think that someone with a stick that far up their ass would have been able to come up with something like that on her own?
How dare you go against me and side with her?
Oh, how could I not? That war was so boring to observe. I know you would never take my suggestion. So, for a cup of ambrosia, dear sister Athena and I were just talking about how things were progressing. I simply gave her a suggestion. How was I to know she would take it?
Bullshit!
Temper, temper, brother. I was simply acting within my nature. It's the one flaw us gods have. We're stuck to our natures. Mortals can be whatever they want. But gods, we're trapped in our own ways. So could you please put me back down?
How did I not know of this? Surely it would have been the top of the rumor mill of Olympus.
You really think Athena would ever let the rumor spread that a minor goddess gave her the idea for her latest conquest over the god of war? Please, brother, don't humor me like that.
So you chose Athena over me? Should I look at you as an adversary now?
Brother, don't be so dramatic. I'm on the side of discord. Always and forever. And no one stores more discord than you and your wars, O great Ares. So you'll always be my favorite.
Your words seem hollow, dear sister, and this hug seems insincere.
I'm sorry if it seems so, dear brother. Shall we kiss and make up?
Don't start with me, Eris. I still have a war I want to plan. Just to simply get some anger out in the best way.
I think I can get behind that. And like I said, if you start a war, you can starve out my boredom.
Well, then hope I can start a war faster than Athena comes up with a peace plan.
Then allow me to apologize in the best way possible. May I, brother?
Have at it.
May I suggest...
Oh, that is good.
Well, of course it is, brother. It's your idea. And no one knows war better than the god of war.